Good morning, children. This is your Nature Study General Knowledge book. In this book, page number 26, we have a topic Safety Habits. What is safety habit, children? When we are doing some work or some activity, whatever, we should be feel safe. Suppose if it is not safe, it's a danger, we should not do that activity, or we have to avoid those work. Okay, now safety habits. What is that boy is doing, children? He is playing with the fire. It's a very danger, is it not, children? It's a very danger to play with fire, so do not play with fire. Next one, what is this boy is doing? He is playing with ant box, and this boy is playing with the switchboard. Yes, no, children? It's very danger, no, children? We should not play with switch box and current and with the iron box and all. It's very dangerous. It will harm you. Yes, no, children? So do not play with electric wires and switches. Okay, children? In your home also electric wires are there, switches are there. So please don't play with that. Safe thing is you can play with your toys. Okay. See, children, what is these boys are doing? They are pushing. It's a very bad habit, no, children? Do not push anybody from the stairs. See, this boy is pushing him. If he fell down, it will hurt him, no, children? Yes, no? So that is very bad habit. So do not push anybody from the stairs. This is also safety habits. Here some boy is eating banana. See, you can see here some boy is having banana. He threw the peel on the road. See, after that some boy came. He kept leg on that banana. He put leg on that banana. He fell down. Do not throw banana peels on the road. See, it will harmful for this boy. Yes, no, children? He fell down because of this banana peel. It's not a safety habit. Okay, so you should not do this. You should avoid this type of activities. Do not play with fire. Do not play with electric wires and switches. Do not push anybody from the stairs. Do not throw banana peels on the road. Next one, coming to here, page number 27. Here also we have some more safety habits. What is that boy is doing, children? He is crossing the road, right? Cross the road at the zebra crossing only. Cross only when the signal is green. Okay. See, children, here where he is crossing the road, even when we are walking on the road, when we are traveling, we can see this zebra line. Some white color lines are there now on the road. That lines we call it as zebra line. Okay, children? So when we have to want to cross the road, you have to cross on this zebra line. It's a very safety habit. Okay, and when it is signal is green, we can walk. When we can walk means they will give one signal. Yes, no, green color signal. One man is like a walking like that. We can see one signal. So when we are receiving that signal, cross the road at the zebra crossing only. Cross only when the signal is green. Okay, children? Next, always use footpath for walking. See, children? See what these boys are doing. This auntie, one small boy, and these boys are walking on the footpath. They are not walking on the road. They are walking on the footpath. Walking on the road is it's a very danger, no children. Vehicles will be there on the road. So we should not walk on the road. We have to walk on the footpath. It is safety. Very safe. Very safety for us. Okay. Next one. Always use the footpath for walking. We completed that. Next one. Give proper signals while taking turns. See children, when you are riding a cycle, small cycle, or your father may ride the bike, car, whatever it is. We have to give a proper signal, because at the back of us some other vehicle will be passing. Suddenly if we take right or left, from the back some vehicles may come and hit us. So we should not do this. When we are taking a turn, we have to show the signal like this in our hand. Then we need to cross the road. Okay children, is it clear for you? Yes? All these are safety habits children. Once again I will read this. Do not play with fire. Do not play with electric wires and switches. Do not push anybody from the stairs. Do not throw banana peels on the road. Cross the road at the zebra crossing only. Cross only when the signal is green. Always use the footpath for walking. Give proper signals while taking turns. These are the safety habits children. So please do follow this and refer this safety habits to your parents also. Okay. Thank you parents. Parents, please refer this book, refer this topic for your child to learn this safety habits. Children, I hope you learn this. Do learn this safety habits in your GK book. Thank you parents. Thank you children.